In this video, you'll learn how to import your video and quickly resize it so it fits your composition perfectly. Whether you're just getting started or you've edited a few projects before, I'll walk you through each part slowly and clearly so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. First, let's bring your video into the project. Start by importing your video file the way you normally would in your editing software so it appears in your project panel or media bin. Once you can see the video there, you're ready to move it into your timeline, which is where all the actual editing and arranging happens. Next, drag your video into the timeline, click and hold on the video clip in your project panel, then drag it down onto the timeline area. When you drop it there, it will create a new video layer, usually on the first available track. This is now the clip you'll be working with and resizing. Now make sure that video layer is selected. Click once on the clip in the timeline so it's highlighted. This tells the program that any changes you make will apply to this specific clip and not to something else in your project. If you're not seeing the highlight, click on the clip again to be sure it's properly selected. With the layer selected, press the S key on your keyboard to open the scale property. This is a shortcut that reveals just the scale controls for that layer instead of showing you every possible setting. You should now see a scale value appear in your layer's properties, usually as a percentage. This number represents how large or small your video is relative to its original size. To resize the video, adjust the scale value. You can do this by clicking and dragging on the number or by typing in a new value directly. Increasing the number will make the video larger, while decreasing it will make it smaller. As you adjust it, watch how the clip changes size in the composition panel and aim for a size that fits your frame the way you want, without cutting off important parts of the image. You can also resize directly in the composition panel by dragging the corners of the video. Click on the video in the composition panel and you'll see handles appear around the edges. When you drag a corner handle, hold the Shift key while you drag. Holding Shift keeps the proportions locked so the video doesn't stretch or look distorted. This is especially helpful when you want to scale the video up or down but maintain its original aspect ratio. Once you're happy with the size and framing, you're done. You've imported your video, brought it into the timeline, selected the layer, opened the scale property, resized it, and used Shift to preserve its proportions.